just have to post this. This is my robot vacuum cleaner. We named him Harold. I don't know what I'd do without this thing. He sweeps and he mops and he vacuums every day. Here, I'll show you look at that. He does a better job vacuuming than I do. And what is so odd about it is, you know, when I'm vacuuming, I just go in one direction. He goes in 4. He goes horizontally, vertically, and diagonally both ways. So he's vacuuming the same spot 4 times. And you'd be shocked how much dirt he gets up. I don't have to empty him. When he gets tired or he gets full, he goes right over here to his little docking station, and he puts himself right there on his docking station. And all I do is empty out this side right here every 90 days. And honestly, you don't even have to do it that much. But I just love the lines. He gets such a deep clean on it. And the reason I'm posting this is because I saw somebody else's post about a robot vacuum cleaner talking about how they did not do a good job. Well, that is true. If you buy a cheap one, you're not going to be happy with it, because they'll get stuck on your vents, and you know, they're just not reliable. You have to be home with them for them to work good. This one right here, he gets every square inch, and I get a report when he's done, showing me a map of every spot in this home that he has vacuumed by square footage. And he will notify you if there was a problem. For example, the other day he was vacuuming my master bathroom, and there was a piece of dental floss on the floor. Well, it got wrapped around his wheel, and my phone received a text message, and it said, there is something, you know, caught in the right wheelbase. And when I had time, I just flipped him over and pulled it out. And he very rarely ever has a problem. Now, they are expensive. I think I paid about $4.55 for him. But, oh my goodness, look at how he's getting as close as he can to everything. And, you know, at best, when I bought it, I thought, well, you know, at least it'll pick up, you know, the top layer of dirt and pet hair and stuff like that. No, he vacuums better than I do, because he goes in all 4 directions. So it's brushing the carpet, you know, in all 4 directions. And no, I'm not being paid to post this at all. I mean, it doesn't even have to be this brand. If you're going to get one, just get you a good one. But I thought, you know, robot vacuum cleaners are getting a really bad rap, and they shouldn't be. Because mine, he vacuums and he sweeps and he mops every day. Every day. Sometimes twice a day. Oh, he's getting tired or he's getting full. But I'm going to follow him. We're going to follow him to see if he's tired or if he's full. And what my family loves even more is when I vacuum, they can't hear the TV because the vacuum cleaner is louder. You can hear the TV over him, but the motor is really powerful, as you can see. I mean, just look. I mean, okay. See, he docks himself. Now let's see. He's full. He's adjusting himself. Okay, now he'll empty. It takes him a second. Okay, now all of the trash that he vacuumed up is going in the bigger container. And once he empties himself out, if he doesn't need a break, he usually goes right back to work. Now, he's been vacuuming a while now, so he may need a rest. Nope, he's going back to work. Back to vacuuming. And it's really cool because he measures and maps your house by square footage. And those are my blankets. So when he bumps into something, he just turns. It is so cool. But if you don't have one of these, if you have back problems or, health issues that keep you from doing the job that you want on your floors, well worth the investment. Don't buy cheap though. If you're going to buy one, get a good one.
Shelby, you have to do something about it. Yeah, I know it. You've got to keep the grinders and all the money for protection. You know the law around here now, Tom, don't you? Maybe you should put a bullet in that wristbands there like they do with my horses. Maybe put a bullet in mine someday too.
Enjoy, honey. Yeah, really great product. Can't even dock itself. Oh my gosh.
Please empty my dust cup and my dock. Error number 26.
Get that several times as well. And let's see, I just emptied it. Let's see how dirty this thing really is.
Please check my dust bin. Error number 9.
That's it. It's not even all the way full. My bin. There's nothing in there. Nothing in there.
So we got our shark in last night, and my internet goes out, and so did my AC from a bad storm. Anyways, I had to pull out the manual because here I was thinking it was just going to be a smart one, and I had no way to manually do it. But if you hit that little blue button that is lit up right now that says clean, it will actually just go ahead and start cleaning immediately. I do have mine set to the evacuate and resume. Every 30 minutes it's going to go back and dump because we've been too busy and I have not been able to vacuum my floors, so it is awful. And as you can tell, I have a cat, so it will go back and dump in 30 minutes, and then it literally comes right back to the same spot that it was at when it left off. I also have it set to recharge and resume, so if it does run out, it will come back. As you can tell, it move out of the way, it's doing its job. You need to move. Look, it keeps telling you to move. And I'm not having any trouble. These are rubber mats in my kitchen, and I'm not having any trouble with them going over that. As you can see, my cabinets. I have had them in the past, other brands that have gotten stuck under these cabinets. This one is not. It's wonderful. Even on the mat, it's not stuck. Hopefully this is helping you guys. It's doing great. I love it. Can't tell you about the app or anything because I don't have internet, so it will not work yet. But so far, I'm loving this. Absolutely loving it. Yeah, it's just like riding right over it. It's like, is it even sucking at all? On the plus side, I finally think I got the programming right, so that it's hitting the rug. Not that it's doing much good. Yep. It's just pushing it right back down in the carpet.
Hi, I just want to follow up on my last review that I gave you. I had mentioned that my mop vac did have an issue with coming off of the dock and just spinning and then going back and docking. From reviews that I had read before, it said that it could be an app issue, and I did nothing. I did not go ahead and reload my app. I tried it again today, and she has just worked perfectly for me, so I'm not concerned at all. I just love the help I get from this robot, and I wanted to share and let you guys know that I have seen no further problem, and I still recommend this highly. Thanks. Bye.
Okay, the shark vac matrix just supposedly cleaned my entire floor, and I want to like this. I truly want to like this, but look, just look at the stuff that is left. I mean, for the love of God. I have to do this constantly. I'm doing it in the dark so you can see.
What's the problem? The brush roll is stuck. I'm brand new vacuum cleaner. Let's see what happens.
My brush roll is stuck. Please remove any obstructions or debris from my brush roll. Error number 4.
Leave it alone. Good boy. Kimber, leave it.
Very happy with this vacuum mop so far. It is doing an awesome job at mopping. I don't know if you can actually see. My floor is still dirty down here, but it's cleaned the other half of the hallway and it is just very shiny.
Please make sure my bumper is moving freely. Error number 6.